Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting session. I'm your host Mesh Karia. You're watching me on YouTube now, and today I'm gonna take you through the SNS service, which is simple notification service, and we are going to use Lambda functions for deploying that all the operations related to SNS. So let's start quickly without wasting any time. So you have to have an editor available, and I'm going to use Node.js for for writing that Lambda operations. So you need to create a new folder on your desktop, name it whatever it may be, let's say SNS, and simply drag your folder on the top of your VS Code. And after that you just need to search for SNS, but before that you have to have one IAM user available. You can create the new one as well if you want. Just search here, or then you will get this. Okay, you till then open your terminal from here and simply search for AWS hyphen version if you don't have it already. So you need to install this CLI, and the next CLI is serverless. I need serverless as well if you don't have it, and so you can grab this by npm install -g serverless, like that. Okay, and AWS will be available. After that, inside users, okay, you can create a new user, name it whatever it may be. Like let's say if I want a user dedicated to that all the SNS permissions, okay, then I'll use SNS user, let's say. Okay, and click here, access programmatic access. Then you need to search for, like here you can create a new group as well if you want. Okay, where you can search for SNS. Okay, and here you can see this. I want to get access of all the SNS services, so create new group. Okay, and after that you can proceed. Okay, one validation, the null at group name field. Okay, group name should be something SNS group, let's say trade group. And after that you will be having this thing. Just click here, next tags. Okay, don't need to add anything here. If you want you can add as well, which is optional. After that, create user, and you will get two things, access ID and secret key. These are the two things which are essentials while using AWS CLI. After that you need a AWS CLI, so you can grab this from here. Just simply search for AWS CLI and you will get the links. Okay, after that, the very next step, let me resize. Okay, so it will be visible to you guys. Okay, and here we go. So AWS configure. Okay, and after that you will be it will ask for access key, where this access key you need to grab and you need to paste this here, but I don't want to change this because I already have a root access. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So after that you can grab this thing here. Okay, I hit enter, and after that this is my region. So you can see here the region. Currently I'm in I'm choosing this one. So with respectively you can choose, okay, according to your region. And after that you need to check the default output format, which will be JSON. It can be JSON as well, so it's all your choice. And once you have it, then you can search for serverless. Okay, and just create a new template which will be AWS-NodeJS. Okay, and it will take some time to get the template. Okay, till then we can start with SNS. So now very next thing you need to search is SNS simple notification service, which is also referred as pub/sub service, publish and subscribe service. Okay, and yeah, this one, AWS command line interface. You can grab this from here for Mac system, for different different system, you can grab this for your particular system. Okay, like I Linux for Windows. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so after once you search SNS, then you will be created by this very beautiful screen where you need to create a topic first. For what topic you are going to create SNS service? Let's say this is for just taste, so I'm going to create here, and let's go with the standard first. Okay, and name it test test. Okay, and will be better, I guess. Just create a topic, and based on that topic we can get this ARN. Okay, this is very important. So after that, you can see here we have created uh, this three thing. Okay, once you hit this command, it will automatically generate the serverless.yaml file. Okay, so no need, you can remove this thing. After that, I also don't need this thing, you can remove this thing as well. Okay, I just need this 4 lines, I guess. That's it. Okay, where a provider is given. I also need a function. Okay, so let's search for the function here. Okay, functions, I have removed the function as well. I need to use this function. Okay, and this is it. Now inside functions, you can see there is a hello function for now. So to invoke this function locally, so you can write this thing sls invoke local. Okay, and after that you can name the name of function. You can write so -f hello. Okay, so I'm inside so let's try this. I hope it should work. So SLS instead of serverless, you can use SLS as well. So you can see this function is working completely fine. So let's see what is inside that function. So there is a message. Okay, so now I don't need this message. We'll start with from scratch. Okay, just remove this thing. So before proceeding, you will need AWS SDK. So let's start with yarn init-y. You can use npm init-y as well to initialize the project, and after that I need SDK, so I'll add yarn AWS SDK. Okay, this is it, and after that we can proceed with the further things. And before that, I need to tell you a few things, guys. We can here inside subscriptions, you can add the subscription manually as well, but we are going to use node.js endpoints for everything. So here what you will do, you can see here the topic that we have just created. You can choose a topic. After that, which kind of service you want to create, like email based, email JSON. Generally we use email. Okay, AWS Lambda, we can hit the AWS Lambda as well, SQL service as well. Okay, any HTTP endpoint or HTTPS endpoint we can hit. You can send a message as well from here. Okay, so let's say if I want to send a message. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll add the number here, add phone number. So after that you will get the OTP, and on the basis of that you will be verified. Let's say I want to use email, then I can write my email here. Okay, basis on that you will get the confirmation email as well. But I'm not going to do this from here, we'll do this from there directly from code. So just for your understanding, I told you guys, like you can let's say it's maheshkaria at gmail.com is my email. I want to create a subscription, okay, for that particular topic. Okay, so see, this is a pending, and if I go here inside my Gmail, so you can see inside my Gmail I'll be having one message where I need to verify this one. You can see subscription. Okay, I have tested already few times, that's why these many of messages you can see here. Okay, so you have chosen subscribe to this topic. Okay, let me search again if I'm not missing anything. Yeah, So this is it, I guess. So this is I'm doing for the second time, that's why it's not asking me for the confirmation. Okay, 9:04 p.m. yeah. So after that I need to click somewhere to verify. Okay, yeah, here. So once I click on confirm, you can see this page confirmed. Okay, now you can see if I refresh the page again, so here you can see the confirmed thing. Now if I want to send some kind of something here, let's say if I want to publish a message over here. Okay, and let's say enter message hello. Okay, and TTL will be 30 seconds, let's say. Oh, hello Mahesh. Okay, cool. So publish the message, and you can see here in some time you will get the message in promotions. You got the hello message, hello Mahesh. So this is how it works, but we need to do this dynamically, so that's why we need to delete this subscription. See, you can see the text SMS you can send as well from here. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard. You can see now I have a one topic. Okay, it's loading still, but it's fine. So I'll get one topic, one subscription, and I don't have any platform applications till now. I don't know why it's taking time, but it should not take much time. Let it be. Let's refresh the page. Until then we can start with the coding part from here. So I already have my, let's, AWS connection. Let's say I need to create. So const AWS equal to require AWS. Then I don't need DynamoDB, so I just need a AWS connection. I don't know why. Okay, cool. So after that I need aws.configure region. So here my region is, I told you guys, like here, I don't know why now I'm, let's say Mumbai, this one AP South one. So I need to use AP South one here. So that's it, I guess. And after that I need to create a function. Let's say which one, SNS or Lambda function. Okay, and here you can see I've got my function. Okay, so let's see the function quickly. This is very easy actually, no worries. I have created connection, the AWS SNS, and after that this is simple message that I'm going to send with respect to this topic. Okay, my topic. So instead of my topic I'm going to grab this thing. Okay, click here on test and you will get this thing. So just grab this from here and just paste it over here. Okay, and this is your topic ARN. So topic ARN is my topic, this is my ARN where I'm sending hello message. So this is for sending message. So you can see this is publish. Okay, after that the rest of the things is very easy. After that let's search for another thing, which is SNS subscribe Lambda function. Okay, cool. So you can see the GitHub Copilot is working really very nice. Okay, so this time I haven't got that much of endpoint. Okay, cool. I haven't got the complete suggestion yet, but okay, cool. And then this is a subscribe, SNS subscribe, and this is it, I guess. Okay, so this is how I have completed. So here again you need to add the event event.body, okay, or dot email. That email will be your endpoint, okay. That email is going to, you need to subscribe from that email. And here also you can pass this thing in body as well if you want, okay. So let's get this from event.body.body. Your topic ARN. So this protocol will be email. I showed you guys already, email, JSON, this type that we can show here, okay. And this is it. This is a subscribe method. After that, where there's simple methods, sns.subscribe, where you need to pass parameters. That's it, finish, okay. And I hope I'm not missing anything. Alt shift I have to format the page. And this is for sending message. And again we can get the message from body as well. So event.body.message we can say. And here as well we need to use event dot body dot dot topic ARN, let's say. So this is it, and now we can publish this thing. So before publishing you need to hit sls deploy command like this. And just before that we need one thing, like here inside functions you need to define two functions, okay. There are two more things are remaining, okay. So I missed something here. So instead of handler we can name it publish, okay, like this. So this is my publish, this is my subscribe. So let's use publish. And publish here you will get the further things like events and kind of thing, okay. But I don't need that much of thing. Sorry, why I'm getting this much thing. I just need the normal HTTP thing, okay. This course, okay, this is it, I guess, okay. So you can get this thing, publish, okay. This will be my post method, okay. And after that I'll be having another function which will be my you can get this from here, subscribe. So this is my subscribe, okay. This is it. We can deploy this, I guess, now. So my service name is SNS, okay. So SLS deploy, hit enter. It will take some time to deploy. Anyways guys, you can use express as well. Express will work as the same, okay. No worries, just instead of the logic will remain always same. This internal logic will always remain same, so don't worry about this. This will be your request.body.message, you can see, okay. Till then we can write the further things as well. So let me turn off my autosave. So we can write the further things like SNS unsubscribe lambda function, okay. And you can see I got the complete message, okay. Here we go. So this is also very easy, sns.unsubscribe. But before that you need to pass this subscription ARN, okay. This ID that it will be created there. So let's say inside subscriptions you can see this is my ID that you need to pass to unsubscribe this thing, okay. At the same time we need unsubscribe. This is it, I guess. You can have a status as well, SNS status lambda function. So in status you need to again pass this your ID topic ARN. So based on that okay, that's it, I guess. This is four things. So sns.get subscription attributes, okay. sns.unsubscribe, sns.subscribe, and sns.publish. This is it. These four functions are needed. So let me grab this here as well. So here I'll be using unsubscribe, and let me grab again for status, and here you need to paste status once again. So all these methods are post methods, so it will take some time. Till then we'll save both the things and we'll start again. So control SLS deploy once again, but before that we can test this thing as well before deploying it anywhere else. So SLS invoke local -f function name subscribe, okay, and -f and data, where you need to pass data here, okay. So it should be something like that. Like here you need to define everything in double quotation, so which will be your body, okay. Inside that body you'll be having another object which will be uh having, I don't know, like let's say inside subscribe what we are passing. So we are passing like this thing, okay. So you need to paste this here. So you need to grab this from here again, topic ID, okay, cool. So I got my ID here, and here you need to paste this thing again, comma separated. The next thing you need to pass here, I guess, is email. So again, email will be, it's maheshkaria at gmail.com. But before that I need to delete this thing from subscription, so let me delete this quickly, and I have clicked here deleted. So now you can see in subscriptions I don't have any, in dashboard I don't have any, 0. So if I hit this thing, I hope it should work, I'm not sure. So okay, I got the message, error message. So let's see, invalid parameter topic ARN. So let's see again. If I go here and okay, while subscribe I need to see this once again. So we can do one thing, like this is my USS1, okay. So it should be USS1 here as well. So USAST, let's try again, and let's try this thing again. So it should work now, I guess. And so now this email, you can see here it's in pending condition, so we'll get here, and here again you will get the confirmation mail, I think. So let's confirm this thing, and once we confirm this thing, so this thing we have done this with this lambda function. So here as well you can see this is confirmed, okay. Now if I want to unsubscribe this one, so let me grab this thing, okay, and this time I'll be using unsubscribe, or before that we need to publish something. So for publish we need to search what we need, like message I need. So instead of email this time I'll be passing message over there. So let me try message, and message will be hello Mahesh from cloud, okay, even though I'm testing locally. So let's see if it works fine. So instead in promotions I think we got the last message. So yeah, once again we'll I don't know where I'll get the message. So message is sent, and yeah, we got the message. Hello, Mahesh from cloud. So now we'll try to unsubscribe. Okay, so we don't need email this time. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, cool. So this time I'll be using status SDA. Let's try status once. I'm not sure about this status thing. So we got the error because we are using handler somewhere in status. So let's see where we are using handler. So okay, so here I don't have status. Okay, so it should be stats. So it is stats. Okay, get subscription attributes. Okay, even though let's go with the status this time. And might be I'm doing something wrong here, missing the required key. Subscription ARN. Okay, and here we are passing topic ARN. Okay, so let me pass subscription ARN. Even though this thing we don't use that much, but I thought it would be better if I demonstrate all the things. And let's grab this subscription email ARN, and from here we can get this thing. Okay, cool. So okay, missing required key. So we have already added this thing in now body. So I haven't saved this, I think. Yeah, so it need both, I think. No, so yeah, we can see this thing I have got. Okay, all the status, and after that I need to unsubscribe this thing with here unsubscribe. And let me try this. I think unsubscribe should work. Yeah, it will work. Let me try. And yeah, this is done. Let me go again inside subscription. It should be 0. So see guys, now I just need to deploy this thing, and let's use SLS deploy. For the first time it will ask. Okay, it started. No need to add anything. Okay, it after that it will create this serverless thing where it will create cloud confirmation. Okay, you can if you are aware about this thing, so there's something that that allows you to write the chaining, everything that you can do this with cloud formation, which is very interesting topic that we can cover in the later videos. So thank you so much all of you guys for being with me, supporting me all the time. It's been pleasure to be here. Please let me know inside comment box what you want from my side, and thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button and smash this like button. Thank you so much.